Was assigned to minister to a man charged with murder, but tonight a Bonner County jail chaplain has resigned to advocate for that man instead. 48-year-old Kenneth Brown is charged with murdering Leslie Bria in 2007. The court recently ruled Brown is not mentally fit to assist in his own defense. KXLY4's Annie Bishop explains why Brown's former chaplain is getting involved.
Keith Brown's case is essentially on hold until the court decides he is mentally competent to proceed with trial. His chaplain, however, says he is very competent, and this ruling violates his right to due process. When Scott Herndon began ministering Keith Brown in jail, he tried to not get involved with the legal side of his case. This past month, however, Herndon could no longer ignore what was going on outside of Brown's cell.
I have no access to that psychological evaluation.
Brown and his wife Tyra are charged with killing 48-year-old Leslie Bria near their Coolan home in January of 2007.
If I believe that Keith is receiving injustice, then I should be willing to say something about it, and that's totally according to the scriptures.
Last month, Judge Fred Gibler ordered Brown to be committed to a state medical facility. The decision was based on a psychological evaluation that found Brown incapable of standing trial and lacking the capacity to make an informed decision in his defense or treatment. The order goes on to call Brown dangerously mentally ill. Herndon says that's not true.
Absolutely not. I mean, I don't know a man perfectly, of course, but when you are a chaplain and you see someone every week, you do get a sense of them.
Herndon wrote a letter to Judge Gibler last week explaining his personal experiences with Brown and asking for clarification. Herndon says no one has ever told Brown what medical condition he has and how to treat it as required under law. Herndon resigned because the letter violated chaplain policy. Under the order, Brown can be committed for up to 3 months or more, putting his trial on hold until at least next year.
Yeah, why help a guy? Because everybody deserves due process. If Keith's not guilty, then he deserves a jury to make that decision. If he's guilty, have the state bring the evidence forward and prove their case.
As for Tyra Brown, she's in the Kootenai County Jail awaiting trial. She was scheduled to go to trial in August, but that has been continued. Reporting in Bonner County, Annie Bishop, KXLY4 HD News.